Greetings and welcome to the Mid-Missouri Kayak, no make that non-kayak, and weather report for January 2024. At 12 noon on Tuesday, January 16th, the temperature is 9 degrees with a predicted high of 14 or so, and it was 0 when I got up this morning. And then tomorrow we're supposed to have mid to high 30s, something similar on Thursday, and then Friday and the weekend back in the teens. Next week is supposed to be mid to high 40s, so who knows, maybe I'll actually get on a kayak. Yes, we've had single digits and below 0 actually the past couple of days. Past 2-3 days we were waking up to minus 7 degrees in the morning. Yeah. Snow, there is 2 inches of snow on the ice. Yes, I'm on ice. You can see someone has cleared a spot on the river here. And there is 2 inches of snow here. And I did shovel that much this morning, but that fell yesterday morning. Part of that, we haven't had anything. Yeah, and I am on the Rural River at the Rural 50 access. I haven't kayaked here in quite a while because the bottom of the ramp, the water has been actually below the bottom of the ramp, and once I would paddle a quarter to a half mile, I would be hitting bottom. So I've been going at Binder Lake. Now, I've actually done this ice thing a couple of times in the past. The Rural River, about 7 miles from here, probably about 12 to 15 miles with all the curves and everything, is much narrower. It's like 40 feet across at the bottom of the ramp, and I've gone there, and there's been like 9 inches of ice. I've got photos of bubbles of ice or bubbles of air trapped in the ice coming up through it, so it's pretty cool. But I went there today, and it's in the country, it's rural, and it's a quarter to a half mile drive into the ramp through this wildlife area. And there's a tree across the road, which I wasn't going to move. I couldn't move. So I am here and I'm doing this. Yeah. So the last time I kayaked was like 2 months ago. December, the schedule was hectic. And then on top of that, the weather wasn't cooperating. So I didn't get out at all on Binder Lake. If I do go out in a couple days or next week, if the temperature moves up, I'll probably go I'll have to go on the Osage River because small rivers like this are frozen over. And no, I won't go on the Missouri. Yeah. So that's it. There's no wildlife. I'm sure there's fish swimming around below me, but yeah, that's it. Not a lot going on. I've had a handful of poems published in the past month or two, so that's nice. Yeah, and I'm going to get my collection of nature poetry out too, so I've really been focusing on that. Yeah, going to Chicago in 2 weeks, actually a week and a half, on a Saturday. Going for the day and coming back on Sunday to go to a poetry reading, and hopefully the weather cooperates. Yeah. Well, that's it. I'm cold. You know what? I don't miss working in this weather. Because, yeah, I did. I worked in this weather. I don't miss it. No. So, anyway, yes. This has been your Mid-Missouri weather report for January 2024. Ciao, folks, and vlog on.